Hi, I'm JB.
And I'm Ella.
At ito ang Kwentong Call Room, powered by the Pod Network.
We're best friends and internal medicine doctors, and our goal is to demystify
and humanize medicine. Naniniwala kami that doctor life isn't just about patient rounds, clinics, and conferences kasi sobrang dami pang pwedeng pag-usapan.
From the mundane to the meaningful, we talk about the struggles, the humor, the horrors, the practicalities, the whys and hows of the medical profession.
Actually, madalas kami lang naman to ni Ella kasi sobrang daldal na niya.
Wait, excuse me ha?
But, totoo yun, we also listen to your stories and questions through Kwento Mo Sa Call Room, a Google form where you can submit your questions to us.
Plus, pwede pa rin kayo makisagot through our weekly episode question at makicomment sa mga episode namin.
At syempre, pag kulang kami sa mema, wala kaming alam, wala kaming experience, nandadamay kami ng ibang tao kasi giniguess namin sila.
Kaya sama na rin kayo sa call room namin, our break room and safe space in the middle of all the toxicity.
So if you're a med student, a health professional, or kahit non-med na gustong makichika sa mga buhay namin or sa mundo ng med, welcome na welcome kayo dito. Kasi we release new episodes, tandaan, new episodes every Wednesday, 5 p.m.
Every Wednesday, 5 p.m. Sama na kayo sa call room namin. With that, I'm Ella.
And I'm JB.
And this is
Kwentong Call Room.